All right, we got the haunted castle here. Starting off with bats, it's a good sign of vampires. Where's the vampires? There's the vampires. Well, he's got a whole empty room. What's he gonna do? Oh, get him a kettle. Start a cauldron, whatever. Start doing some magics. Kapoof. Yep. We got him a little, whatchamacallit, ghoul. What's he summoning here? He's summoning the Miss Vampire of the Year right there. What's up, Miss Vampire? How you doing? Get over here in this closet now. Ghoul. Get over here. You're gonna go bye-bye for a while. Master, and 22. Well, hold on, let me see the recipe real quick. Kapoof. You're back in a box. Make all this disappear. You stay relaxed. I'll put on my jacket, it's a little cold out. Oh! Well, what are these fellas doing? Oh, they're looking for it. They ain't gonna find it, though. He made it disappear. There's the goal. You go poke him in the butt? Got him. Don't you be running away. You gotta help me out here. Nope, I'm running away. Whatever. So he was here, stabbed me in the butt. That was there. What in the world? Why is this stuff moving around? Sit on it. Oh, skeleton up the butt. Why is everything messing with my butt right now? Kaboom. What in the world? Is that the vampires? Oh. Says the vampire. Ooh, we fighting a vampire and his ghoul? That ain't no joke, son. Well, maybe not. Maybe so. No, you're not. Told I got him. And mollywopped his ass. Hey there, fine lady. Mighty looking good vampire. Oh no, you're not a mighty fine looking woman. You're a vampire. Oh snap, there's all kinds of vampires and wolves and stuff. Oh, I bit off more than I could chew here. They're trying to get me. They're trying to get me. Ha ha! Dang. See what's going on here. Oh, watch out now. Why are they doing like a seance? Ooh, there they go. I'm going this way. Oh, dang it. No, you're not so fast. I'll get you with the cross, Mr. Vampire.